Hi, good afternoon. This is Tashi. I'm representing group number 3 for the hospital management and for the program OOP345 for the winter semester 2024 Seneca College. Our professor name is Dr. Adil Javid. So our group members are Karamveer Singh, Fahim Ahmed and Bo. So after the long lengthy discussion, we have came up with using map container to store the patient, staff, appointment, etc. And we are using one of the smart pointers, which is shared pointer. The benefit of using smart pointers is it will manage memory management automatically. We don't have to worry about the big problem memory leakage. And we are heavily using iterator, as you can see from here. If you want to find the patient, staff, etc., if you want to display something, we are using iterators, which is very useful. So next we will jump to the main class, which is patient. We are using patient. We are using scope protected because we are again using inheritance throughout the project, and we have a default constructor and parameterized constructor with validation. And in order to achieve polymorphism, we are using virtual class and override function in the derived class. We have a derived class in patient with a base class patient, and it has its own specialized data member, which is room number. And then we have outpatient, which is derived class of patient, and it has some specialized data member, phone number. So similarly for the staff, we have staff as a base member, protected scope because we are using inheritance very heavily throughout the project, and parameterized and default constructor as usual with validation, virtual class and override function, virtual class in the base class, and then in the derived class we are using override function, as you can see it here. Doctor is derived class of staff, registered nurse is derived class of staff, and we have registered practical nurse of registered nurse, as in a real life registered practical nurse used to inherit most of the features from the registered nurse. And speaking of exception handling, we are using exception handling with our own class, my exception. So in this project, since as you know, in Ontario, health card is very important, we are using Ontario health card with the help of exception handling. If user or staff input like an incorrect health card number, it will keep asking to put proper way. And phone number also for the outpatient, phone number should be North American standard, like 3, 3 and 4 digit at the last, separated by hyphen or dash. So without further ado, we're going to run the project. Thank you. So this is our main menu. We have categorized menu: patient management, as you can see, staff management, and appointment management system. So we will run through one by one. First is inpatient, which is derived class of patient. So number 1, name Jonathan Vick, age is 45, gender male. So OOP number. If you put wrong OOP number, it will show exception handling handles this thing. So we have to put correct Ontario health card number, which is very important, as you know. So that's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So room number, which is specialized data member of inpatient, I'll put 8. So if you display number 5, all the patient's name will be displayed. And then we're going to put outpatient, Black Widow, name is Black Widow, age is 89, gender female, OOP number, again we have to put properly, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and phone number also. Phone number should be properly inserted. Display, inpatient and outpatient are displayed here and displayed here accordingly with the help of virtual function and override function using polymorphism. So we'll jump to the edit part. We're going to edit number 11, the patient. So all we have to do is enter the ID or the key of the key value key section of the map container. So 11, enter the ID you want to edit, 11. So new, we will say TTC red car, and then 89 gender female, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and OOP number, phone number, and now everything should be perfectly inserted, otherwise exception handling will throw some error. So if you display, number 11 is edit successfully. So if you want to delete, just press number 4. Let's say we want to delete number 1 and 2. Number 1, it will pop up message, patient ID with number 1 is deleted. If you put the wrong ID, it will say patient not found. So number 2. So we have deleted 1 and 2 out of the patient list. We're going to jump to the staff management system. Everything is same, the concept is same. We're going to add, edit, delete. Number 6, add doctor. We'll say Dr. Jack Richard, available yes. So in order to make data uniform and accurate throughout the program, we just keep the ID of the specialization of the doctor. So this time we'll say number 8, radiology. If you display, Dr. Jack Richard is here. So we're going to put registered nurse, which is derived class of doctor. Number 7, we're going to say Toronto registered nurse. Okay. Floor number, which is specialized of the registered nurse. Number 8, if we display, it will pop up here. So we're going to put registered practical nurse, which is a derived class of registered nurse. Number 8, register practical nurse, and then availability yes, floor number 8 because it is deriving from the registered nurse, and unit number where registered practical nurse is supposed to be assigned, 98. Now if you display, it will pop up here. Now if you want to edit, again same, press edit the staff, number 9, and then ID number is 1711305646, and new, we're going to say Anshu Sharma, yes, floor 8, unit number 98. Now registered practical nurse is updated because registered practical nurse has a unit number, so that's why. So if you want to edit again doctor number 22, just type number 9 22 doctor Dr. King Kong, and available yes, we'll say number let's say he or she is a child's doctor, number 4. Now if you display, yeah, doctor with the ID key 22 is updated here. Now if you want to delete, it's the same concept. Number 10, we want to delete number 21. ID staff with ID staff 21 is deleted, the user message. So if you display, 21 is deleted. If you want to delete 27, 31, 32, we'll just double check. 27, 31, and 32. Now if you display, all the stuff are displayed here. So if you want to make appointment, we can come here. We'll create appointment. So it's very simple. Number 12, create appointment. Patient ID, let's say patient number 11. patient number left. So it will pop up all the available doctor, as you can see here. Let's say patient number 12. Let's say I'm the staff. I'll say, okay, what do you have here? Whom do you want to see? And the patient says, I want to see child's doctor. I'll just put Dr. King Kong there. So I'll just put doctor ID 22 and date should be perfectly fine. 12/22 8, and if I put wrong date, it will say proper date should be inserted, 2024 August, let's say 30, and hour also 24-hour format 14. So after noon 2:30, and recent appointment, child has fever. So it will just show message, success message for the staff or user, like appointment is booked with Dr. King Kong on date and time. So if you check that, if you check the appointment list, it will pop up here. Let's say this patient TTC red car has an appointment with doctor, name, date, time, and the reason. So we're going to put another one. Let's say I'll first display patient. Let's say black widow, the patient, she wants to book an appointment. Again, same thing. Number 12, 171130565461. So black video ID, I put it here. So let's say we have a bunch of doctor lists here who are available, and she said I want to see radiology. So I just put Dr. Jack Witcher 1711305594. Okay, date 2026 September 9, and then morning 08:44 hours. So appointment reason, I need X-ray check. So again it will pop up message, success message. So booked. So check. Sorry, I just put the wrong patient. So I just put age 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry about that. I'll display the appointment. You can just ignore this number 1 because it is asking me to add inpatient. So number 14. Now Black Widow is a Black Widow appointment is booked with Dr. Jack Richard, date, time, and the reason. So in this way we can go one by one, and everything will be done as we go on. The data is inserted. So we'll continue with the appointment management. If you want to add appointment, first we'll check the patient. So let's say we want to add something for Jonathan Wick. So 12 to add appointment. So 1711318389. So we'll assign doctor. Let's say he or she wants to see doctor with a radiology specialization. Say 22 and 2024 8/19 and afternoon 3:30. And reason for appointment is checking X-ray. So appointment is booked at this time if everything goes right, if date is not overlapped or conflicted. So this is here. We're going to add one more. This time we're going to do for Jack Richard, patient Jack Richard 12 1711318399. We're going to appoint Dr. Tom Cruise for the patient 1711318418. 125 19 1444, and reason is checking for the kid, and appointment is booked if everything goes well. So here's our appointment information. So let's put the wrong information. Let's say we put wrong patient ID. It will say patient not found. The program will not execute. So we're going to put the right one. 12 11, and then Dr. Tom Cruise, or we will say Dr. Iron Man. So okay, 25 12:30, and reason for appointment is bone check. Appointment is booked as we can see here. And 14. Now this section, no matter what ID you put, it will catch up with the data. So let's say we want to put for the let's say we know the patient number is 11. So yeah, this patient has this much appointment with doctor, this thing and date and time, and all the list will come up here. So if you want to see through the doctor, let's say how many this doctor has, particular doctor has appointment, we'll just write 17113184118. Yeah, Dr. Tom Cruise, who's a kid child doctor, has this much appointment, and the list will go on if the program runs further. So if you want to search through the date range, let's say we want to get all the appointment from 2024, we will just write search by range 2024 1 1 2024 12 31. If you put the date range, oh, no, 2024 12 31. Yeah, so all the appointment in 2024 will show up here. Let's say the management came to the staff and said, get me all the list from 2025 in the future appointment 2025 1 1 2025 12 31. So yeah, all the appointment list in 2025 will show up here. So in this way we will narrow down the appointment list in case we want. So this is all for the appointment. Thank you.